Lemon Square Choo Choo.
Video. Today I'm gonna play I'm gonna make somebody. Wait for a second. I built this myself, and let me put the finishing touches. Scooby-Doo, Scooby-Doo, Scooby-Scooby-Doo, Scooby-Doo. Ayan. There we go. Joking, this is his hair. I'm gonna explode this at. Let me build the first one. Let me just build this one. Okay. Okay. Let's put the finishing touches. I'm already done pala. Let me put this and it will explode. No, baba. That's the explosion, guys. There's still more. Let me build. The biscuit garage. 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 Can I build something that can destroy bedrock? The biscuit garage. Okay. Let's pull it. Okay. Ah! Hot dog, cheese dog, dog, cat dog, nanay mo sabag. What's the limit? There we go. Because I'm gonna build many TNT. Tubis kukuruk. Tubis kukuruk. Tubis kukuruk. Tubis kukuruk. Tubis kukuruk. Tubis kukuruk. It literally disappeared. Let's go to a Minecraft. Minecraft pala. Minecraft. What a good place. Can I build something? Volcano? How about we build like lava? Let's build a volcano. Bibidyo ako.
Pinayak mo sa adik mo.
Hindi.
Kamiyak.
Hindi ko din alam. Kasi hindi ko nga alam. Let me just get a map. Toot, toot. Oh, no! No! Wala. Walang bubble gum?
Ay, wala. Umuulan na kasi. Ha? Sa baba. Ha? Sa baba. Sa baba. Sa baba. Sa Barcelona. Kaya, nasa hospital pa rin. Wala, kasi doon. Hospital sa atin. Andun naman. Andun siya sa hospital. Andun siya sa ano, tinawagan ko kanina sa bahay.
La, hindi na ako makapunta sa bahay. Ala, hindi na ako makabalik. Tingnan mo kasi hindi ko alam kung saan pupunta.
Magkampas ka.
Kompas. Wala tayong kompas dito. Yan. Kompas. Doon. Okay, doon.
Kasi sinasabi ko sa'yo, masarap maging high school.
Bakit?
Kasi, alam mo, 1 hour yung lunch break mo. Pwede ka maglaro.
1 hour naman din sa amin. Pero pinapaaral kami ng 12. Ay, doon.
12 kami, magla-lunch, tas 1 kami, mag-start.
Woo.
Ganda maglaro doon, hindi.
Ay, ba't doon? Okay, sundan kita. Ay, pa-straight. Saan ba ako Ayun! Ang galing naman ng kompas na to. This is my home, guys. Woohoo! Aw. Uwe! Uwe! Ah! Ah! Wee! 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 This is my zoo. I forgot to put the finishing touches. Put water. No! No! Phew. Let me just put water in my cage. In the zombies cage. Before I finish this video. No! How many zombies are here? I'm joking. I didn't put them.
Ano sinasabi mo?
This is the zombies. That's why there's so many in that nether portal. That's why I'm gonna see. Let me put something. There we go. No? Yes, yes, yes. Yes. There we go. And put water. So they don't burn at the sun. And let me put some new zombies. Zombies! Okay, let's cover that. Goodbye.